Solution is a solute dissolved in a solvent. So we're going to take notes on chapter 3.2. And remember that we spoke before that there were three types of liquids, I don't know how to call them, of mixtures. One was a solution, the other one was a colloid, and the other one was a suspension. So we're going to go deeper into solution, okay? Good. So a solution is a solute dissolved in a solvent. We are going to learn a lot of vocabulary here in this chapter, so please take note and highlight these new words. So the substance dissolving is called the solute, for example, salt. The liquid in which it dissolved is called the solvent, for example, the water. In what type of solution? Salted water, okay? A substance or the solute that is able to dissolve in a liquid is considered to be soluble. So soluble means that it's able to dissolve in a liquid. Okay, so salt is soluble because we know that it dissolves in water. If substance is not able to dissolve in a liquid, then it's called insoluble. The more solute that is dissolved in the solvent, the more concentrated the solution, okay? So think about this. If I have a glass of water and I start pouring salt and I start mixing it together, if I put only 1 teaspoon of salt, then it is not too bad, like you can still drink it, agree? But if I keep pouring more and more salt, it's going to become much more concentrated. If just a little solute is dissolved, the solution is described as dilute, which means low concentration, okay? If a lot of solute is dissolved, then the solution is described as concentrated or high concentration. A solution is saturated when no more solute can be dissolved. So if I keep adding salt and more salt into that glass of water, it's going to get to a point that the salt is going to stop dissolving, and that salt is just going to pile up. It's not going to be able to dissolve into the water. So the levels of concentration in a solution can be described from less to more, and the less will be dilute, a dilute solution. If it's like has a lot of solute, then it will be concentrated. And if no more solute can be dissolved, then it will be called saturated. Okay, those are the 3 levels of concentration in a solution. A good solvent is water, and we see this all around us. So good examples are, for example, in our digestive system, water is used to dissolve a lot of products in our digestive system, also in our blood and in underwater life. So that concludes this chapter. Thank you for watching, girls.